I'm Leigh and I work at Zimmer Biomet. I'm a development engineer and I focus on hip and knee implants. So my role mainly revolves around the remediation or update of our design history files. So that means that our products need to conform to a new set of regulations. I'm also a project manager on a unique device identification project where we make sure that our products are part marked correctly when they're implanted into patients. So at school I was always really interested in science. So I chose my GCSEs as science, the three sciences, maths and then an additional maths qualification as well. I had a really keen interest in physics at first, and then I realised that I was more interested in problem solving. So I liked problem solving coupled with science, and I also quite enjoyed maths. So that then led me to think maybe engineering would be the degree for me. I then chose my A-levels. I chose maths, physics, chemistry and ICT. I started going to open days at university thinking that I'd do a chemical engineering degree, but actually when I went to the open day, I decided chemical engineering wasn't really for me, and I came across medical engineering. So on that open day then, I realised medical engineering is what I wanted to do. I had an interest in biology, medicine, so problem solving, biology, medicine, it led me to medical engineering. So I did a Bachelor of Engineering degree in medical engineering. I then finished that and did a summer project with some of my lecturers, and we designed a COVID-19 model, a computational model for COVID-19. After that, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but I decided a master's would be a good way to go. I thought I didn't want to do any more modules or any more exams, so I did a research master's, and that meant that I just did one big research project throughout my whole 2-year master's, and that was surrounding a medical device. So I was designing a CO2 removal device to be used in anaesthesia systems. So through our job, we're really encouraged to use our problem-solving skills. Every day we have to find solutions to new problems. To do this, we have to work within a multidisciplinary team, so we really have to collaborate together. So teamwork is a massive skill. And then also we have to adapt our communication styles between different people in different situations. So some people might not have the same knowledge I have as a development engineer, but I might not have the same knowledge a manufacturing engineer might have. So it's really about collaborating and teamwork and problem solving. So I really enjoy that my role allows me to pull in different knowledge that I've gained from school and university. I think it's really a satisfying feeling to be able to solve real world problems throughout my daily job. To young people who might be considering doing engineering, I would say go for it. It's a really rewarding career and you'll really enjoy your career. There's always ways to expand your knowledge and there's always ways to progress through your career.